In today's quick video, I'll teach you how to get alerts on your Kick stream, assuming you've connected your OBS or StreamLabs to Kick. If you haven't already done so, I'll have a link in the description that will walk you through the easy process. Alright, let's go to Google, type BotRix, hit enter. Go ahead and click the first link, or I'll have a link in the description that will bring you exactly to this web page, and then log in with one of these here. This tutorial, we're going to log in with Twitch, click authorize. Go ahead and switch the website to English. For some reason, BotRix always switches to Spanish. From here, it's going to ask you to sign in with Kick. You're going to put in the username. Hit accept. And we're going to be giving this a moderator role. So make sure you copy this. And we're going to hit continue. It's going to bring you to the Kick dashboard. Hit add new. And search, hit Control V to paste that in. Click that. Click add. And now you're good to go. Back to the link. And from here, it's telling you to copy this command. So go ahead and hit copy. Click that link. Paste it in there. And now you have a moderator. From here, hit the finish button. Now you're good to go into settings. You're now editing your BotRix Kick. From here, go to alerts. We can now edit subscription, gift subs, followers, raids, tips, kicks, and much more. For today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at the followers tab. I'm only going to go through a few of these options. You can go through the rest of them if you would like. So the first one we want to look at is active alert. You want to make sure that is on. Scroll down a bit more, you'll be able to see picture and sound. So the green ones are how you upload your GIFs, pictures, and sounds. And the blue ones are the stock pictures and sounds. Scroll down a bit more and you'll see all the text information. At the very bottom, you'll be able to save your settings. It's going to shoot you back up to the top where the widget URL is that you will need to copy. Once you copy this, go back to OBS or StreamLabs. Now go down to where your sources are and add a new browser source. Go ahead and name it whatever you would like and paste in that widget URL. You now have your alerts on your stream. You can now move this guy wherever you want, adjust the height and size. If you would like to test your alerts to make sure they work, go back into BotRix, click on one of the top follower buttons or subscriptions, back into OBS, and there you have it. Another way to test it is up at the top, click preview. From there you can click on one of the green buttons and it will show there as well. Now here's a few tips and tricks for you. Make sure you download the BotRix widget. To do that, right here, this blue button, click that. Click the green button where it says use extension or download extension. If your OBS or StreamLabs alerts aren't working with BotRix, but they are popping up in BotRix's preview window, most likely your issue is you have too many browser sources and they're interfering with each other. One more quick tip, under the browser source that we created, if you double click that, scroll down to the very bottom and hit refresh cache of current page and then hit OK. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. I would be happy to help. If you enjoyed today's video or found it useful, please hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, happy streaming.